Probably the worst thing about YouTube that we all hear about all the time is that you really can't predict what they're gonna do next. And there's really nothing more mysterious and confusing than the yellow, not suitable for most advertisers sign. Now, I don't know why, and I don't think anyone knows why, these signs just seem to be randomly assigned to certain videos that don't need it, and just doesn't happen to show up on videos that probably do need it. But I think I have come up with a system, or at least a temporary solution, to keep you from getting any of those yellow, not suitable for most advertisers signs. So I'm here to tell you guys today the steps that you can take from the most simple to the most complex step to make sure that you never see a yellow, not suitable for most advertisers signs. Now, the first step, of course, the obvious one, you gotta make a YouTube channel. I know. Alright, then after you've made your YouTube channel and you've set it up, you have your channel art, you have your your name chosen, you have your icon. That's all step one to me. Step two, of course, is you gotta make some videos. I know we're getting real basic here, but here comes step three, and this is the crux of the system. This is the most important step, the one that you have to get right. Otherwise, there's not a guarantee that you won't ever get those yellow demonetization signs. Now, a lot of you have been making YouTube videos since way before the first round of demonetization for the 10,000 views requirements, or even before the whole Wall Street Journal thing happened, where, the adpocalypse or whatever. A lot of you have been making videos before that, and it used to be that there never was a yellow demonetization sign. But now with the current system, there is one way to always get rid of it, and I'm about to tell you. So, basically, when you make your videos, you just have to make them bad enough that you'll never get to 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 hours of cumulative watch time on your channel for the whole year, and then you won't be monetized. You can't get those pesky little yellow dollar signs. Alright, see ya.
How to never get demonetized again? More like, how to get about 100 dislikes.